Hi there. Welcome to this episode on Career Bytes offered by CADD Center. My name is Dazil Fernandez. I'm your career coach. Most recruiters nowadays use a method of interviewing called BEI, that's behavioral event interviewing. Their questions are never hypothetical here afterwards. They would like to know how you have behaved or what you have already demonstrated. Let me give you an example. If they wish to know about your ability to solve problems, their questions could be like this. Tell me about a time when you were confronted with a challenge. How did you identify the challenge and what did you do to solve it? Or to know how good your communication skills are, they could ask you a question. When was the last time you had to communicate a tough message to a client? How did you do it and what did the client respond with? Or if they want to know about whether you're a good team worker, they would ask you, when was the last time you joined a new team? How did you gel with your new colleagues and what did they feel about you? In all these cases, they use this method of trying to go to a past event and see how you behaved or how you responded. So when you go for an interview, based on the competencies that are critical for that particular role, be prepared with events wherein you had demonstrated this, because these are the events which will prove whether you've got those skills or not. I hope these tips helped you. Until we meet in the next episode, have a nice time.